All right, I'm back. It's been a while. I apologize. I got my degree. I just moved. Things are a little crazy here still. But I decided to just put together a short little unofficial video, just some raw clip of me talking about my day hike loadout for tomorrow. I'm going to go out nearby. It's supposed to be 38 to 40 degrees and cold and wet and rainy. So I figured it's a good time to test that type of gear. So I'm going to talk about that gear loadout. Right now, before food and water, my pack is at 4.5 pounds, which is pretty good. I've got the Palante Joey. I just got this. I've taken this out on one trip so far, and I'm really anxious to get out there again with it. It's by far the most comfortable pack I have ever worn. This harness is incredible. But for what I'll be wearing, I'm just going to have some Smart Wool socks and then like a Patagonia Cool Daily base layer just for some next to skin, and then like a REI fleece that I got at a consignment shop. But for the good stuff, what's inside the pack? So here is the beautiful, lovely thing. I have a DCF zip pouch for my sunglasses, and then on the bottom I'm gonna have like a Pro Bar and then maybe Cliff Bar or something. But in the outer mesh, I have some rain pants. I think these are like the Marmot, whatever. They're heavy, but they're strong and they do great against wind and rain. I got those at a Goodwill for like $10. I have Rocky rain socks because I live in the Pacific Northwest, and if my shoes get soaked and I change into dry socks, it's nice to have something that'll keep my feet dry so I don't just immediately get my fresh socks wet. And then that's it for that. And then inside the main compartment, this drawstring top, I do plan on doing a more in-depth look at this pack. I just wanted to upload something. So if you're interested in seeing me talk about gear, then here you go. Frog Togs on top because, yep, I'm cheap in that regard. For some reason, some things I'm cheap. DCF ditty bag. I'm going out with a friend, so it's always good to have extra stuff. You never know. It's going to be a short little day hike, but oh geez, I didn't even think about the pack liner. Oh well. So I inside will carry another fleece. Tomorrow rather is going to be more about testing gear and seeing how. Geez, the audio is probably so bad. Sorry guys. This is good. This is a test. I'll probably delete this anyway. So this is a Kuiu Peloton 97 fleece crew neck. Learned about this from Jupiter like everybody else, but amazing. I don't know how frigid it's going to really feel tomorrow when I'm hiking, so I've got this as a lighter weight option, as something if that REI fleece is too stuffy, but just a shirt is not enough. And then I've got a beanie. This is just some synthetic. It's a military issue. Backup socks because you don't want to make that mistake. A buff, neck gaiter, whatever you want to call it. And then I have these thin little Kuiu gloves. These are the same ones that, the same company rather that makes that Peloton. I'm not really sure exactly what model that is. And then last but not least, for the main compartment is my puffy, the Enlightened Equipment Torrid Apex. And then Nylopian pack liner. And then between the liner and the pack, I have a new item I'm really excited about. And that is the 1/8 inch CCF mat from Mountain Laurel Designs. Gossamer gear has been out of stock for a long time, as everyone's probably pretty aware. But Mountain Laurel Designs is, in my opinion, I haven't used the Gossamer gear myself, but I think that theirs is superior simply for the fact that they have 5 or 6 different options. But nevertheless, here it is. Very lightweight. It's the same weight as my sit pad, and it's just been replaced now. So really excited about this, and it offers just a little bit of padding, which is not necessary for this loadout at all. But again, I just want to test it out and also start kind of folding it the way that I like it, you know, to fit the shape of my back. So that's it. I will also be, because the Joey is designed very specifically to have water carried in front. I'm going to be using these Katadyn Tactical 0.6 liter bottles. I'll have 2 of these in the front, and this has been great. I've actually jogged with the pack a lot. And again, I'm going to release a lot more of a detailed video soon, not so much of just a talking head kind of thing, but again, I just wanted to test out this new gear. So enjoy this video, I guess, until it gets deleted or not. Thanks for tuning in. I'm sorry about the wait again, but I'm going to be back. I will be back. I've got a bunch of ideas written down. I don't know if I'm going to be one of those people who uploads once a week, twice a week, but I'm definitely going to start putting out more. So look forward to that. I know I am. Yeah. All right. Have a good day, guys. Happy hiking.